Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're at Hull Botanic Gardens train care centre in Hull. It's a HU3 postcode. So all visitors must report to site contact, no unauthorised access. Just reading a little bit off the website, yeah. What they do is just take care of trains. Can you tell us a little bit about what you do, yeah?
I'm just a cleaner.
Just a cleaner, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's everything to do with the train parts, the locomotives, passing through Hull. As we can see, there's a Northern Express train in. You do that every morning, like, do you? Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Is this as close as I can get, is it? Is this as close as I can get, is it? Yeah guys, that's as close as I can get. Like, reading a little bit off the website there, they have everything to do with the part of the trains coming through. What they do, they park up the trains here and they're cleaned at this part, yeah. See guys, there's not much more I can tell you about this place, or I can just put a link in the description. We'll get the drone up as this wind has died down. Catches on the other side. Yeah guys, we have checked on drone assist and there's no restrictions in the area, so we'll get the drone up and we'll see what this place looks like from up above, eh? Aye, that's it guys there. From Botanic Gardens. Train K in Hull. No issue there was just the two cleaners come out and was asking questions about the drones, but not their job, not their responsibility. So yeah, we'll move on to the next one. Just a quick little one there so you can see what the yard looks like from above. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.